statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Charles, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland until 6:45 a.m. At 3:43 a.m., the gauge at the Mucky along the Mataluman Creek continues to drop. The gauge remains in minor flood stage at 7.13 feet, but is expected to drop below flood stage in the next few hours. At 7 feet, Pawford Road begins to flood. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bryan's Road and Potomac Heights. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.